Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Netspend MasterCard account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Netspend MasterCard account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in netspend.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Netspend MasterCard login like this and hit enter, and you can see the login to your Netspend account on the first result of Google. Click over there and you can see this is the direct login page of your Netspend MasterCard account, and whereas this is the home page of your Netspend account, and on the top right corner of the screen you can see the login page. Click on login from the home page, and after that you can see both of these pages are same. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your Netspend account, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Netspend account. Or if you have forgotten your password or your username, you can see the forgot your username or password option available over here, and you can see username or password are both in blue, which means if you click on them, particular pages of retrievement of username or password will open because their links are different. And if you have not yet created an account on Netspend, you can see order a new card option available over here. Click on order a new card to go through a process to sign up for Netspend, and then register you log into Netspend MasterCard account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.